Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate Elytra. It's important to understand that duplicating items like Elytra in Minecraft typically involves exploiting game glitches, not using intended mechanics. These methods are often temporary and can be patched with game updates. Before trying any duplication method, always create a backup of your world to prevent any potential loss of progress or items. One common method involves manipulating how the game saves your world. First, place the Elytra you want to duplicate into a chest. Allow the game a moment to save this change. Then, quickly take the Elytra out of the chest. Immediately after removing the item, force quit the game application without allowing it to save normally. Upon reloading, the Elytra may appear in both your inventory and the chest. To effectively sell, set up an automated sales funnel with a compelling sales page and instant product delivery. Drive traffic through organic strategies such as repurposing your content for various platforms, optimizing for search engines, and nurturing your email list. Collaborating with other businesses can significantly expand your reach. Also, consider offering small upsells or order bumps at checkout to boost your average transaction value by a few extra dollars. Remember, these duplication glitches are not guaranteed to work and can be highly unreliable. Game developers frequently release updates that patch these exploits, so a method that works today might not work tomorrow. There's also a small risk of corrupting your world if the game crashes unexpectedly. For the most stable and intended experience, always aim for legitimate gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.